A recent lawsuit filed against Washington's new law to decertify state sheriffs went to court in Eastern Washington Thursday afternoon. A Ponderay County judge moved the case back to the county where the legislature passed it. The lawsuit concerns recently signed Senate Bill 5974, which can decertify sitting sheriffs from their jobs. The law adds oversight for elected sheriffs, including background checks and decertification rules. But the lawsuit filed by 4 state sheriffs argues the law violates the Constitution by giving an unelected board the ability to remove a seated sheriff. Last week, we spoke to one of the sheriffs in the lawsuit. Ponderay County Sheriff Glenn Blakesley said he believes the law goes against our state constitution.
It really says that the power belongs to the people. The people should be able to decide who their elected officials are. They should vote them into office. And if there's issues, there are remedies to have us removed from office. I don't like the idea of having the appointed positions in Burien or Olympia, making that decision for our citizens.
The 2 main motions up for discussion in the Ponderay court Thursday were whether the law should be put on hold while the case plays out and where that should ultimately happen. After nearly an hour of discussion, Judge Adam Walser decided to move the case to Thurston County. Meanwhile, plaintiffs asked the judge to put a pause on the law's implementation. Here's how the parties argued.
We're here on an emergency injunction. It's because the legislature passed this and said it's going into effect in 30 days. The very language of the legislation says we're doing this so this will go into effect in 30 days and bind sheriffs by doing this.
Ruling on it, despite transferring it, would defeat the purpose of Your Honor's motion to transfer, which was to make all the decisions in one place at one time by one judge.
The judge ultimately decided he would not make a decision on the temporary injunction, allowing that decision to be made by the judge who receives the case in Thurston County. No word yet on when that is scheduled to happen.